you don't have, देखो, okay. So this is the candle base which we are using in this session. Let me know if you are able to see, because to move ahead I have to check whether you are able to see everything or not. Okay, you are able to see, then okay, done. So I am taking the base. I have showed you. You can take this. This is a chopping board, or you can take a rough, box. This is the box. You can see. पुराना सा बॉक्स है, हम इसके ऊपर भी कलर करके यूज कर सकते हैं. Now, first I will tell you. See, it's not necessary to buy decoupage papers always. Okay. What you need to do is, see, these are the few prints available with me. You need to log into Pinterest, and when you log into Pinterest, you need to see कि क्या क्या images. जैसे if you want a African lady image, then you can type African lady and search. If you want to get some god image or goddess image or Rajasthani girl image, everything is available on Pinterest. What you need to do is you need to log in the Pinterest और उस पे आपको search करना है. See, these all images are from Pinterest only. See. See, these are images which I have taken the printout from Pinterest and then used it as a decoupage paper. See, you have seen it many times. बहुत जगह आपने ये वाली image देखी होगी. This too, this image too. So these are few images which I have taken from Pinterest. Now, how to convert it into decoupage paper? See, decoupage papers are thin. So to use it as a decoupage paper, you need to take the printout of these images on a glossy paper. See, there are two kind of glossy. One is photo glossy. You don't need to take printout on a photo glossy paper. जो photographers use करते हैं वो वाली image आपको नहीं लेनी है, क्योंकि वो बहुत ज्यादा शाइन करते हैं. हेलो गुरमीत आंटी, है ना? तो आपको ये लेना है. और एक आता है एक ग्लॉसी पेपर, एक मैट पेपर. तो आपको मैट पेपर्स पे भी प्रिंट आउट नहीं लेने हैं, बिकॉज मैट पेपर्स पे जब हम डेकोपेज ग्लू और डेकोपेज वार्निश अप्लाई करेंगे तो वो सॉगी हो जाते हैं. सो लीव इट ऑन द शॉपकीपर. जो प्रिंटर शॉप पे जो शॉपकीपर है उनसे आपको कहना है ग्लॉसी पेपर पे जो भी आप प्रिंटरेस्ट से प्रिंट सिलेक्ट करते हैं उसे आपको डाउनलोड करना है सबसे पहले. तो डोंट टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट, अदरवाइज उसको आप जूम करेंगे तो वो ब्लर हो जाएगी. तो यू नीड टू डाउनलोड इट. उसे डाउनलोड करने के बाद देन यू हैव टू टेक इट टू द प्रिंटर शॉप और उनसे आपको कहना है कि यू नीड टू गेट द प्रिंट आउट ऑफ द सेम ऑन ग्लॉसी पेपर विच इज 50 to 80 GSM. उससे ज्यादा मोटा नहीं हो तो यू कैन टेक 100 GSM बट नॉट मोर देन 100 GSM. ओके, सो दिस इज द फंडा. इफ यू डोंट हैव द पेपर, decoupage paper, then you can get the printout yourself and make it decoupage paper. Now what you have to do is, see, I did some fussy cuttings. See, these are the papers. इसको मुझे fussy cutting करना है ना, लाइन बाय लाइन. ये पूरा इमेज जो है मुझे काटना है, तो मैंने कुछ कटिंग्स करके रखी है. मैं आपको दिखाऊं. See, this is the one. These all are from Pinterest. और भी आपको कई इमेजेस मिलती है. यू कैन गूगल इट. सी, यू हैव सीन दीज इमेजेस. दीज आर यूज्ड वेरी कॉमनली. दिस इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम Pinterest. सी, so in this particular project I had done some preparations not to waste so much of time, and we will be using one technique. So first of all I would show you what is, see, the base I had shown you. I will be using the Tillite holder. Now these are doilies. You can see. Now you will say where the doilies are available. So doilies आपको मिलेंगी आपको Amazon पे. You can search it. See, I have doilies in two shapes. Let me keep it on something else because the base is white. See, these are doilies. These are doilies. So ये आपको मिलेंगी. You can search it on Amazon or any craft shop. उसके अलावा the people who are into catering business, they use it for decoration. So you can get it there too. So these are the doilies. Fine, which we are using in this project. So starting with the project. So this is the base which I am using. Again this is the base I have shown you already. ये वाला बेस है जो टीलाइट होल्डर का है. इस पे मैंने एक व्हाइट कलर करके रखा है, चॉक पेंट, व्हाइट चॉक पेंट आई हैड यूज. See, your questions are welcome. I will try to answer in between. If no, I will answer it at the last of this session, end of the session. So what I will be using this doily here, and this is the fussy cutting of this Buddha, cute Buddha, which I had already done. So this I am using in this project. So what I have to do is I will place the Buddha here, and this is the doily which I am using. I will show you the use of the doily in this project. So I want something जो बुद्धा के ऊपर मुझे ऐसे मुकुट टाइप या चक्र टाइप आप बोलो, ऐसे मुझे कुछ बनाना है. सो आई विल कीप इट बिहाइंड द फेस. आई वॉन्ट दिस काइंड ऑफ लुक. आई नो इट इज नॉट विजिबल प्रॉपरली बिकॉज द बेस इज व्हाइट एंड डॉयली टू इज व्हाइट. सो आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग इट हियर टू शो यू. सी, now I am taking, this is a stencil brush which I am using. Sorry, my brush is very, I keep on washing, but I am using it a lot, that's why it is like this. So I am using this brush, and I have few chalk paints with me. You can see this is the chalk paint, and what I have to do is I have taken the chalk paint, see what I have to do is, I will show you. I have taken the chalk paint in the plate. I will load the brush with the chalk paint and will remove the extra. I don't want so much of color in brush. मुझे सारा extra color जो है chalk paint से निकालना है, brush से chalk paint निकालना है, sorry. So I will just hold it with my hand and will start dabbing it. Neha ji, yes, you can use acrylic color instead of chalk paint in this. See, there is a process. If you want to use matte look and if you don't have chalk paint, then what you need to do is take acrylic color and mix gesso in that. I will show you the gesso too. See, this is the gesso. You can mix gesso in acrylic colors and use it as a chalk paint. Chalk paints basically have some plastic content in it. So I don't prefer using it, but yes, in case I don't have chalk paints ready with me, then I mix gesso in chalk paints and use it. Hi Anant Lakshmi ji. See, now what I will do is, I will color the rest of the part and keep the doily as it is. Sorry for the noise. See, I am using stencil brush to color this. It's not necessary you only use stencil brush. If you are not comfortable with stencil brush, let me show you the other options too. Just a minute. Let me finish this. See, it's not necessary. You can use two colors too. Combination of two colors in this. जरूरी नहीं एक ही कलर यूज करना है आपको. See, I was saying that we can use other options too. You can use this kind of dauber too. See, इसमें sponge है. I won't prefer using brush. Brush से I'm not comfortable. See, you can use stencil brush, you can use dauber, anything. I'm just showing you the ways. I won't suggest you to use brush. Always use. See, it is not necessary you can buy this. If you have a rough sponge, जो Scotch Brite आता है उसके पीछे भी स्पॉन्ज रहता है सॉफ्ट वाला, यू कैन यूज दैट टू. कुछ वेट स्पॉन्ज हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सब फर्नीचर बनाते हैं घर पे, स्पॉन्ज बचता है तो यू कैन यूज दैट टू. कैन वी यूज वाइट एक्रेलिक कलर? यस यस यस, यू कैन यूज. बता दिया. See why I had taken white color? Why I had taken white color in the base? Because जो मैं अभी जो प्रोसेस करने वाली हूँ वो हाईलाइट होगा. एंड सॉरी फॉर द नॉइज बिकॉज आई एम यूजिंग दिस हेयर ड्रायर टू मेक इट ड्राई. See, it's not necessary to have heat tool for this because we are doing with the minimum things which we are at home. I think I should color कुछ यहाँ पे. Before taking the doily, let me do the finishing of it. Okay. So this is dried completely. Now I have to slowly remove this, carefully and slowly remove this doily. Just taking the doily. So I hope you understood why I had taken white base. See how beautiful it is looking. See, it's not necessary you can use this. It was just a technique. So I thought to show you. It's not necessary. If you don't have doily at home, you don't use this. Now what I have to do is I will take a fresh brush. We will start with the decoupage of this printed paper. So what I am using here is, this is Deco Magic Glossy, which is from Itsy Bitsy. Fine. Instead of this, if you don't have this Deco Magic glue, if you don't have this, then you can use Fevicryl Mod Podge, which is very easily available nowadays at stationaries. Again, if you don't have Fevicryl Mod Podge, then you can use Mod Podge. And if you don't have Mod Podge, then I would suggest you, because these are papers, not tissues. See, there are decoupage tissues and decoupage papers, both are different. And now we are using printed papers. So for using this, it is not necessary. Then if you don't have, it is not necessary to use this. If you don't have this, then I would suggest आप थोड़ा सा फेविक्रिल जो फैब्रिक ग्लू आता है लेके उसमें हल्का सा पानी मिक्स करके उसको थोड़ा सा पतला करके you can use that for only decoupage this printed papers. I would suggest to use that. Now I will place it here. Fine, I am placing it here. Now I will take this, load some of the decoupage, this Deco Magic glue in my brush and will apply. Anandi ji, hello. मीना जी. Now what I have to do is I will place it what we had decided earlier. See, I hope आपको जब when I told you कि I want something मुकुट kind of, you आपको समझ में नहीं आया होगा. Now I hope. See, now I am using this. This is a ATM card. To why I am doing this? So that इसमें जो है bubbles नहीं है. That's why I am doing this process. है ना? No need to buy expensive tools for anything. I think glue is okay. Now again I will use the dryer. Alright, this is dried. Now what I have to do is we need to seal the project. Yes. Deepa ji, you can use paper stencils. आप parchment paper आता है उस पे भी आप stencils कट करके खुद की stencils you can create it. Now whenever you do decoupage, whenever we are doing decoupage with decoupage tissues or anything, then we need to seal it. Fine. So for sealing again I am using this because this Deco Magic glue act as a sealer too. If you are using Fevicryl Mod Podge, then that too act as a sealer and act as a varnish. If you are using Mod Podge, that too act as a sealer, act as a varnish. But I told you can use, in case you don't have anything, then you can use what you can use. I told you Fevicryl का fabric glue. उसमें जब आप पानी मिला के you can paste it, but you can't use it as varnish or as a sealer. So I am using this as a sealer. Now you can see I am just sealing the project. आप देख सकते हैं ये थोड़ा सा मिल्की लग रहा है, so not to worry because it is milky and once it is dried then it will be clear. So I will be drying in front of you only. ये थोड़ा सा गाढ़ा हो चुका है, मुझे इसमें पानी मिलाना था, otherwise इसमें ऐसी lines नहीं दिखती, but then too it is okay. Now again, sorry for the noise. I will use the dryer again. Sorry for the noise. Now you can see मैंने आपको बताया था ये मिल्की दिख रहा है, but after drying it will be transparent. It will be. Now to decorate it, what I will use is I will use some stencils which are available with me. See, this is the stencil which is available, or any stencil you can take. These all are the stencils which are available. So I will take some other color and do the stenciling. So I think I will go with this. Now again I will take some color in my brush. I have taken that stencil brush again. You can see this is the stencil brush. I loaded some color and then, as I told you, you have to load the color and then remove the excess like this. Now इसमें ना, when I will do stenciling, I won't be filling all the gaps. I will do it randomly anywhere, and plus I will not fill all. Let me show you what I am saying. Somewhere I will keep it light, somewhere I will keep it dark. See, this was the thing. I will not fill the whole gaps. I will keep it light and dark somewhere. Again, I will do it randomly anywhere. I'm not going, see, for filling the gaps, then I have to move the brush like this, jitna bhi, but I'm not filling all the gaps. I will keep it light and dark somewhere because I want that look only. See, like this. Brush number of stencil, though I don't know exactly, but this is the brand Montmartin. This is the middle one. Actually, there were 3 sizes available in it. So this is the largest one and this is the middle. I will check and tell you, Mubina ji. Hi Shraddha, we are doing decoupage with printed papers, and I had explained the use of doilies too. Video will be available afterwards also, you can watch it. And I had explained the use of doily. Now I am doing stenciling work. Yes, it's a tea light holder, candle holder you can say. Doily, just a minute, I will show you it again. See, I think this is enough as of now, or if I feel I will do it again, then I will let it dry. Just I will use the dryer. See, this is what we had done. See, if you want, आप इसमें थोड़ा सा और you can do the stenciling work with other colors too. Now to decorate it, what I will do is, I will take Fevicryl outliner. Fine. See, this is Fevicryl 3D outliner. Now to just decorate it, I will just highlight few of the stencil work we did like this. सो रेंडमली यू नीड टू हाईलाइट इट, कहीं भी कैसे भी आप चाहें आप यूज कर सकते हैं. डॉयलीज आई थिंक वंस इट इज ड्राइड यू कैन यूज एक बार और, बिकॉज दीज आर पेपर डॉयलीज. अदरवाइज ये क्या सॉगी हो जाती है. आप चाहें तो इसे सुखा के एक दो बार यूज कर सकते हैं. बट फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे अभी मैंने डॉयली पे पिंक कलर यूज किया, आपने देखा. अभी मैं आपको यूज डॉयली दिखाती हूँ. मोबिना जी आपको आई एम जस्ट आंसरिंग टू यू. सी दिस इज द डॉयली. सो दीज आर पेपर डॉयली. सी दीज आर वेरी थिन. ठीक है, अभी पिंक कलर इस पे लग गया है, तो अगर आप फिर से पिंक कलर इफ यू आर यूजिंग देन यू कैन यूज इट. अदरवाइज आप कोई और कलर करेंगी तो ये सॉगी होके जो है पिंक कलर उसके ऊपर लग जाएगा. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि डॉयलीज आप ना यूज करें तो बेटर है, बिकॉज ये सॉगी हो जाती है. श्रद्धा जी, आई होप यू हैव सीन द डॉयली हाउ इट इज. I will explain you again at the end. Let me finish this. देखिए, अगर आपको थोड़ा खाली लग रहा है तो यू कैन डू स्टेंसिलिंग वर्क मोर. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि जैसा मैंने किया है आप वैसे ही करें. यू कैन टेक अदर इमेजेस टू. यू हैव सीन द इमेज विच वॉज पोस्टेड. See, doilies come in various shapes, various sizes, various designs. So it's on you. आप कोई भी doily use कर सकते हैं. It's a tea light holder. So I think I'm done from my side. अगर आपको खाली लग रहा हो तो आप इसको थोड़ा सा और you can fill it. So now I'm done. The project is completed. Now what are the questions are inevitable? I'm here to answer your questions. So let me show you again. So these are the doilies, paper doilies. And I will post the pictures. I will post the pictures of the products used and the outcome. Now one thing is more which is left. I need to varnish it. So let it dry. So I will use the dryer to make it dry. Yes, Rachna ji, I will repeat. Just a minute, let it dry, then I will repeat the whole process. Yes, Rachna ji, I'm just repeating the summary of the whole project. See, what I did is I missed the use of doily. Mubina ji, the session will be there. You can watch it later too. No issues. Just I'm repeating the whole process, just a summary. See, it is not necessary to have decoupage papers always in your stash. If you don't have decoupage papers, you can just go on Pinterest and search the images. I have this images which I had downloaded from Pinterest and got it printed from a printer shop on a glossy paper of, yes, I will share, on a glossy paper of 50 to 80 GSM. Now you need to fussy cut it. See, you need to fussy cut the images like this. This is the fussy cutting of the images which I did. You need to fussy cut it and then you can use it. Now, for this particular project, what I did is, this is the base which I had used. This is the tea light holder. I had kept the doily here and used this Buddha print. I want this doily print above the head of this Buddha like a chakra, and then placing it, and then I had used the stenciling brush and colored the hole. After coloring, I had removed the doily and I had got the imprints of the doily below it. Then you need to place it and paste it and do decoupage on it. So I hope I am able to clear the process. Now the last step which I am doing, yes, I will share the link. See, yeah, you can WhatsApp me. I will let you know how to search it and will share the few prints too. Now what I am using is, this is the varnish. I need to varnish, seal the whole project now. First we sealed the paper. Now we need to seal the whole project. So this is the decor varnish from Little Birdie which I am using. Rachna ji, I hope I am able to explain you again. Yeah, sure. Divya ji, just WhatsApp me. I will let you know again. You need to search in on Pinterest. See, this is the decor varnish you need to use. What I will do is, I will take some varnish, load the brush with varnish and will apply the varnish on the whole project to give it a glossy finish. See, it's not necessary. आप पूरे प्रोजेक्ट पे फिर से वार्निश कर सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि बुद्धा पे नहीं करना है. You have to do varnish on the whole project because the shine of Mod Podge is different from the shine of varnish. तो पूरे पे करेंगे तो it give a finished look. Now let it dry. So I hope you like the project. Hello Anjali ji, we are about to finish, so you can watch it later on. So all questions are invitable. If you want to ask anything, you can ask. We are done with this project. Yes, I will wait for 2-3 minutes. See this varnish too, abhi thoda sa you can see this is milky, but once it is dried, then it will be clear, crystal clear, like we had used the Deco Magic. Yes, no questions. So I hope